Yeah, Pete, that's right.
It's pretty fucking new microwave.
What's in it?
Do you reckon it'll be bad for the microwave?
I think it's got potential to be pretty bad for a microwave.
You reckon?
If it punches anything, especially think of the grill.
They don't explode. They just light up.
Go on then.
Yeah, but you've got to get there before it'll blow up. It will blow up eventually.
I dare it, Pete. Go on.
Woo!
Don't leave it too long.
Bit longer?
See that?
Bit longer.
Don't leave it too long.
Woo!
Fucking hell, that was well good. Did you see all the blue sparks and shit? Go on, 5 minutes on the night. Check it out.
But you're an intelligent boy though to know it's not good for it.
Ah, it can't be good. What are you pushing me into it for, Pete?
gonna
I've got a vest on, you've got fucking like 2 layers.
It don't matter.
This is sexy.
One more.
What the fuck are you doing?
One more. One more.
Yes?
Is it form? Is that a light bulb?
Ah, what are you doing?
Hey,
Just walk around.